Hey folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's live trading action video. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here. Today's date is Thursday, September 29th, 2016. What a day it was on Wall Street, folks. Markets are not closed yet. We still have about 25 minutes remaining, but holy cow. First of all, look at the volume. Over 100 million already, 103.5 million. That's awesome. But the volatility today, it started out like a slow normal day, and then it got crazy. The reason why it got crazy is Deutsche Bank. All right, now it's not the only reason. We'll talk about the next one in a little while, but basically there was a report that came out that said about 10 hedge funds had dumped pretty much all of their Deutsche Bank stock, getting out of it. This caused the stock to collapse, everyone thinking, oh, it's going to be in default soon, and that's where the run on the stock came in. Take a look here, folks. We go to Deutsche Bank on the chart. You can see that report came out here, and look at the fall on Deutsche Bank. Stock's already at 52-week all-time lows, so this was just more pain on the stock. And again, what you have to realize is that the lower the stock goes, the more capital the bank needs. There's actually a tie-in to what the stock price is and how much capital reserves they have, kind of thing. So the lower it goes, the worse it actually becomes for the stock, for the company itself, which again is very important to understand. So as this is falling, the markets start to collapse lower. S&P starts tumbling down. You can see here we were in free fall for a little while, bottoming out right here. And then just as if an angel from on high came out and answered the prayers of all the investors, there was a rumor reported that Qualcomm, QCOM, let's type it in and take a look, QCOM, was buying NXPI, which is NXP Semiconductor. NXPI, I believe, is the symbol. Take a look at that. Up almost 16% on the day on NXPI. Qualcomm surging. The semis surging. Take a look at the SMH. Look at the move on the SMH. SMH was down at the lows of the day, collapsing, and it just had a rocket ship. Basically a $2 reversal, guys. And that helped save the markets today, because I do believe that we were close to a flash crash or a crash scenario. Now, is it a real rumor? I mean, is it a real truth to the rumor? I honestly don't know yet. If it is, it seems very suspicious to me that the rumor, the news was weighted. I mean, this was purposely done, folks. I mean, you were in free fall, things were panicky, and then all of a sudden, it's almost like they saved this bullet. I don't know when the deal was negotiated, if it's even real. If it's just a rumor, it's even worse. But if it was negotiated and a deal was struck, did they say, hey, let's wait till the markets are heading down to release this rumor, and then here we have the Deutsche Bank issue today, and then it happened? I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. But it was very suspicious. I don't know what games these guys are playing, honestly. As a trader, as an investor, I just make money every day. But, to see this type of shenanigans go on, I mean, think about any other time in the world. I mean, over the last couple weeks, there could have been any time to release this. And they waited for when the markets were basically collapsing, near starting to crash, to release this news. Very suspicious. Anyways, it is what it is. The markets, again, were able to come off of their lows in dramatic fashion. We're now stabilizing right here. Spiders are only down $1.33. Honestly, that is not that big of a move. Think about this in the scheme of the markets, guys. Just a couple weeks ago, we were down, 5 points? And here today, we were in collapse mode, and we're only down $1.25 now, and we're surging back to the upside. So, pretty crazy. Volatility is definitely getting a bid today. You can see the VXX, although it's off of its highs, up about 5%. So, that's a nice move there. And the financials are getting wrecked. Obviously, JP Morgan, you can see they're down. Look at that fall. Every other financial is going to get hit because it's a financial stock that's going through this. So, everyone says, oh, well, if they have problems, maybe JPM's not as bad, but maybe they have some issues. Maybe they have some of the debt on their balance sheet. These are all possibilities, and that's really causing a little bit of a ruckus here in the financial area. XLF, you can see what the XLF is doing today, down about 1.2%. Okay, so that's where we stand today. Financials, obviously weak. Biotech's been very weak all day. This was an indicator. Look at earlier in the day, the markets were up, and biotech just continued to sell. I called this because yesterday I saw Amgen break a key level. Let me show you the daily chart on Amgen real quick. Last thing I'll do here. Notice how yesterday it closed below both moving averages. So yesterday, see how here a couple days ago you opened below and they saved it, and then yesterday it closed below, boom, to the downside. Look at that collapse on Amgen. Amgen absolutely getting annihilated here to the downside. It should go to the 200 moving average. Absolutely should go there. So there's a lot going on here, guys. I mean, I can't even tell you the craziness of this day, but what I do is I love it. I love this because I was able to jump on over to lunchtime. Think about this. In the intraday stock chat, we day trade and we swing trade, right? Swing trading is in the research center, but in day trading land, in the chat room, lunchtime's usually a dead time, 12, 12:30, 1 o'clock. I was able to jump on around 12:30. We took a Goldman scalp trade for 65 cents in a matter of minutes, and also I believe it was a Spiders trade for I think 40 cents. So just think about that. That's awesome. That's action. That's money. That's literally thousands of dollars in profits in our pockets each, just on 2 quick trades over lunchtime. So bottom line is, folks, I'm not going to go into this much more. You need to come here to In the Money Stocks, get involved, sign up, profit with us. Take the 7-day free trial to the research center, get the swing trade alerts, entries, prices, stops, targets, you name it, it's there. Come join us. I'll talk to you soon. I'll hopefully see you there making money with us. Take care.